Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I'm proud to present this nearly mint condition 1991 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL Roadster. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the 500 SL. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at All City Auto Sales in Indian Trail, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. Two-tone dark gray and light gray exterior with tan perforated leather interior. $112,000 miles. Beautiful. It's got a full leather wrapped steering wheel, nice and thick. It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission with low gear selection. And let's go ahead and cut on the headlights. Hazards. Both the windows are automatic. And let's go ahead and check out the exterior, shall we? Sleek exterior design. Glass headlamps with headlight wipers. Your fog lights, nice low profile, and put the top down, just put the parking brake on, and pull back on this little lever here. Fender vents, standard alloy wheels, it's a timeless body style, very popular as it lasted up through 2002. Padded top storage, foldable wind deflector. It's an option through Mercedes-Benz. Your signature single wiper blade. And easy to see exterior mirrors. Then pop the hood. The 500 SL is powered by Mercedes 5-liter V8. Dual intakes. Produces 322 horsepower and 354 foot-pounds of torque. EPA estimated miles per gallon rating of 14 city, 18 highway on premium unleaded gas. Very smooth engine, quite powerful. Very wide opening doors, almost a 90-degree angle. Polished chrome trim gracing the door edge. Everything is also covered in nice, rich padded material. Carpeted down below with perforated trim on the inserts of the doors. Power locks. And your fully powered perforated driver's seat. Nice and stiff yet supportive. All of your power adjustments are located on the door here. Power headrest adjustment as well as seatbelt adjustment. And 3-person memory. Polished aluminum door sills. The fact that most everything in the vehicle is wrapped in stitched leather adds a nice, warm luxury touch. Carpeted parcel shelf with storage. You also had an optional Bose audio system that had a rear-mounted subwoofer, as well as speakers embedded in the back of the parcel shelf. It also has a full power tilting telescoping steering wheel, carpeted up under the dash, and let's go and see how it sounds. Fantastic note. We're going to put the top back up. I went ahead and filmed the tour of the passenger side of the vehicle with the top down so you can get the different perspective. Here, shut her up. It's been fitted with an aftermarket Kenwood CD player with iPod input. Your automatic climate control. Fahrenheit Celsius, one-touch automatic, front defrost, economy, recycling, fan speed, as well as your different zones. Control how far open you want your vents. Storage. Heated seats for the driver and passenger. Rear defrost. Automatic roll bar control, as well as traction. Storage and your iPod input. Tape storage. Power outlet, as well as lighter. Adjustable armrest. And console. Cruise control, your intermittent wipers. Instantaneous fuel mileage, as well as an analog clock. Visibility is actually pretty good with those quarter windows on the side. Reading lamps. Let's go ahead and shut her down. And we'll check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Modest trunk, fully carpeted with side storage pockets. Same power adjustments for the passenger seat. And this car does lack a glove box. Fantastic German sports roadster. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 1991 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL Roadster. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.